So I'm Amelia Forsyth-Smith. I play Ruth in the film, who is a country town witch linked all the way back to the original settlers in the mid-1800s. So the film is a paranormal horror set in rural Australia. A new young couple move into a rural town at a hut with a blacksmith shed. My character is well acquainted with the location and what has previously occurred.
Something wrong? No, it's just no one's ever really lived there. Well, not for a while anyway.
That's why it was so cheap.
My character is well acquainted with the property and what occurred there before, and she's trying to protect the young couple from bad things occurring again.
What happened?
I don't know.
When everything comes to a head, she kind of encourages the other characters to stand up and face what they are confronting. My favorite part of the film, look, as exhausting as it was, I think it was the screaming. It was actually really quite cathartic for me. I think it's actually going to be an event, like a proper event. Sorry, I just looked at the camera again. Look, it's being surrounded by friends and family and everyone. They're kind of celebrating what has been an epic journey for everyone on this film. It's a good way to celebrate it in the end, I think.